Now here we have this one result which says if alpha, beta, gamma and delta be eccentric angles of 4 points of intersection of the ellipse and any circle, then prove that alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is an even multiple of pi. So what we'll do is we'll say that let the equation of ellipse be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, and let the equation of circle be x square plus y square equals to r square. Now point of intersection of this ellipse and circle will lie on both, on this circle as well as on this ellipse. So what we'll do is we'll take any point on this circle, we'll take this point in terms of parameter theta, we'll write p as r cos theta and r sin theta. Now this point p, it will also lie on this ellipse. So we'll put the value of x and y, then we can write r square cos square theta upon a square plus r square sin square theta upon b square, and it is equal to 1. Now we know that we can write cos theta as 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2, and we can write sin theta as 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. And what we'll also do is we'll let this tan theta by 2 as some t. So we'll replace cos theta with 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square and sin theta with 2t upon 1 plus t square. So we can write this equation as r square upon a square, and then it will be 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square whole square plus r square upon b square, and it will be 2t upon 1 plus t square whole square, and it is equal to 1. So we'll simplify it. Then we can write b square r square 1 plus t to the power 4 minus 2t square plus a square r square into 4t square, and it will be equal to a square b square 1 plus t square whole square. Now we'll write this equation as a biquadratic equation in t. So we'll write this equation as b square r square t to the power 4 plus 4a square r square minus 2 b square r square t square plus b square r square, and it will be a square b square plus a square b square t to the power 4 plus 2 a square b square t square. So we can actually write this equation as b square r square minus a square into t to the power 4 plus 4a square minus 2b square r square, and then we have this t square here also, so it will be minus 2 a square b square t square and plus b square into r square minus a square equals to 0. Now what we'll also do is we'll divide everything with b square r square minus a square. So we can write this equation as t to the power 4 plus 4a square minus 2b square r square minus 2 a square b square upon b square r square minus a square t square plus 1 equals to 0. Now since it is a biquadratic equation, this equation may have 4 real roots. So if this equation has 4 real roots, then there will be 4 values of t, say t1, t2, t3 and t4. Now if we write s1, so s1 will be t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4, and this value will be 0. s2, it will be 4a square minus 2b square minus 2a square b square upon b square r square minus a square. What is the value of s3? s3 is 0 and s4 is simply 1. Now we know that we have taken t as tan theta by 2. So that means these 4 roots will be, say, tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2, tan gamma by 2 and tan delta by 2. Now I will write tan alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta divided by 2 will be s1 minus s3 upon 1 minus s2 plus s4. Now what is s1? S1 is 0 and S3 is 0. So this value is actually equal to 0. Now we know that tan theta is 0, then theta is n pi. So from here we can write alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta upon 2, and this value is n pi. So from here we can write alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, and it is equal to 2n pi. So that is sum of eccentric angles of these 4 points, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. It must be an even multiple of pi. So this is how we solve these questions.